Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove a round shape wheel nut. In order to do that, you are going to need a special socket that has nerves inside that will cut through the locking nut. Of course, you are going to need a hammer, but let me show it to you step by step.
So the first step is to hammer the socket onto the nut, just like I'm doing here. And in order to maximize the contact surface between the socket and the nut, you need to try to hammer the socket until it is bottomed down onto the nut. And that's very important. The contact surface is very important because this is what you need to remove the nut. So in most cases, the nut will remain stuck inside the socket and you'll need to use an extension bar and hammer the nut out of the socket. And that's it, guys. So now you can install a new lock nut and enjoy the ride. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.